You know that smell? That moment when the kitchen fills up before dinner, when everyone starts showing up and you just know it's going to be a good night. That's holiday arroz con pollo with la fe. To make it, all you need are a few holiday staples, the ones that fill your kitchen with color, aroma, and flavor. Take a screenshot if necessary. Heat 2 tablespoons of La Fe vegetable oil over medium-high, about 200 degrees Celsius or until it shimmers. Add your chicken pieces and let them brown for 8 to 10 minutes. Don't rush this part. That golden sear is pure flavor. You'll know it's ready when it smells toasted and the surface turns deep caramelized brown. Lower the heat to medium and add peppers, peas, and a spoon of tomato paste. Sprinkle La Fe Sazón con Achiote for that warm golden color and a hint of spice. Mix for about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll see the oil turn orange, the air fill with aroma. That's the moment your kitchen starts smelling like Christmas. Now add 2 cups of La Fe jasmine rice. Stir for 1 minute so it soaks in every bit of flavor from the sofrito. Then pour in 3 cups of warm chicken broth, enough to just cover the rice. Let it boil gently, then lower to a soft simmer at around 90 degrees Celsius. Cover it and let the magic happen. In 20 minutes, the liquid will be gone, the color bright and the grains fluffy, just how we like it back home. Turn off the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Use a fork to fluff the rice, never a spoon so it stays light. Add a squeeze of lime, some cilantro if you like, and breathe it in. It's the smell of family, the sound of holidays, the taste of home. When there's arroz con pollo on the table, everyone gathers around, abuelas, cousins, the whole crew.